Okay, so we've gotten to the point where we're going to make our agar for our plates. So I have my Petri dishes sitting here over here on the right side. I have a beaker. The beaker for this particular one is about a 400 milliliter beaker. It doesn't matter per se, but I'm going to go ahead and put in 250 milliliters of water into this. And it just kind of depends on how many people you're making this for. So there's my 250 of water. And then this is 7 grams of the powder. So it's just nutrient agar. And you'd want to look at instructions for how to make the agar that you purchase. But this particular one is 7 for 250. So I'm going to go ahead and stir it. I turned on the hot plate. I need to heat this up. So right now it's a lovely brown color. I need to get that to sort of a darker yellow color by the end. And so I'm just going to kind of heat it up slowly. This is going to bubble, and it's going to bubble up a little bit. You want to make sure it doesn't bubble over, because if this stuff gets on the hot plate, it is atrocious smell. So we're just going to kind of stir it and let it go. All right, so we got the color that we're looking for. It is sort of a darker yellow color. And so I'm just going to give it one last little stir, and then I'm going to sort of pull it off. So I'm going to move my spoon out here. And then I'm going to use a hot mitt because it's going to be a little warm. And I'm just going to put it next to the Petri dishes that are sitting right here. And then I'm going to pour them. So you want to open the Petri dish as little as possible. So I want to make sure that I just kind of vent it, and then I'm going to pour the liquid into those Petri dishes. And there's a line on the side. I'm just trying to get up to that line. I don't need to go much further than that. Just like so. Again, I vented a little bit more just because I'm one person, but if you had another person kind of venting it for you and then you could pour, it would be much easier.